Aloha. If you want to get your PDR to work, you need a SDI memory card like this one. I'll show you where it goes. Right here, when you open your glove compartment, this part right here is where the SD card goes in. You just plug it into the slot and you're ready to go. At the home button, you need to scroll all the way to the left to get to your PDR button. Okay, I press the PDR. And now you can set it up so it's a video overlay, lap timing, or just start recording. I'm just making a short video to explain how it works. Aloha and stay safe.